Everyone knows Pickford's for removals.
Easy does it.
But we're also one of Britain's biggest travel agents.
Careful, my husband's feeling fragile.
We'll help you with your holidays, we'll put you on the best beaches, and we'll plan your sea, rail and air travel at the cheapest possible prices.
Hold me tighter, young man. I'm not made of china, you know.
Wherever you're going, go to your Pickford's travel shop first. Oh, left hand down a bit.
The mountains of Manhattan. And halfway to the summit, our intrepid climber is stuck for lunch. No going up, and no popping down to that little hamburger stand on 35th Street. So he turns to Heinz Beef and Vegetable Big Soup, a soup he can sink his teeth into. Those big chunks of meat and veg make it almost a meal in itself, and it's all he needs to see him through to dinner in the rooftop restaurant.
Can't serve you without a tie, sir.
Heinz Big Soup, big enough to see you through.
We're here on a picnic. You can join us if you'll be quick. We've got lots of tasty goodies and, of course, country life. It's fresh and it's English and as creamy as you could wish. Oh, you'll never put a better bit of butter on your knife. You can jam it, meat paste it. On fresh bread, you really taste it. And it's lovely with a crumpet. But don't tell the wife.
Country life. You'll never put a better bit of butter on your knife.
Come and talk to the Midland. Come and talk to the listening bank. Talk about your savings plans to make the most of weekly pay. How to use a checkbook, buying gear the easy way. How to stash a bit away, ready for your holiday. Meeting friends along the way. People have problems over the years. The Midland Bank has very good ears, and it hears. Come and talk to the Midland. Come and talk to the listening bank. Camping Continental!
Big sale savings on tents, trailer tents and awnings. Starts this Saturday at the Camping Centre of the Midlands, A5 near Hinckley.
Camping Continental!
Party? Oh, great. No, I had to sell the motor. Look, was there any chance of a lift? No. Oh, well. Hey, sis, any chance of a lift?
You must be joking.
Oh, hi, Jane. Yeah, the party. No, I got done, didn't I? Oi, Dad, any chance of a lift?
Not now, son. We're late. Sorry.
Going with Trev. I thought you didn't like Trevor. I know he's got a motor. Oh, see ya. Minicabs. Yeah, I'm in a hurry. Well, how long will it be?
Drink and drive, and you could lose a lot more than your licence.
2 hours?
Diamond Plus holidays at home and abroad for the over 55s. Ring 021 622 5252 for your Diamond Plus brochure.